Hi, this is me Shabista Khan, graduation student at Aiims Bhubaneswar. So today's topic of discussion is conducting system of our heart. जी हाँ, आज हम बात करेंगे दिल की कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम की. पहले हम ये बात करेंगे कि कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम में क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, हमारा हार्ट कैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, इम्पल्स कहाँ से कहाँ आते हैं, उसके बाद हार्ट में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं, ब्लड कैसे पुश होता है. ओके, सो first of all, we will be learning ki why our heart is called myogenic in origin. There's two terms. One is myogenic and one is neurogenic. So our heart is myogenic. It means that it is not depend on the nervous system to generate set impulse. It has some myocyte cells. It has some cells that have a ability to generate impulse by its own, and this unique property of a heart is known as autorhythmicity. Just note this point, students. It is called autorhythmicity. Okay, so one question can come oftenly ki what happens if you take your heart outside the body and keep it in a petri dish or something. So still our heart will be contract. It will contract means its muscle will be contracting, because for generating the impulse it is not at all dependent on the nervous system. So now we will starting with the conducting system and consequently what happens when SA node impulse is generated and so on. So what all the conducting system comprises of? Conducting system में क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं? तो एक flow chart है. If you learn this flow chart, you can easily learn the conducting system of a heart. So first is SA node. SA node is also known as atrial node, then AV node, then bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. So where it is located and what all the function it has. So SA node is located in the right atrium near this opening of superior vena cava. So what does the SA node does? What happens? SA node generates some impulses. As SA node generate impulse, this impulse is being transmitted to the atrial wall, and once the impulse is being transmitted to the atrial wall contract, and we know the left side has oxygenated blood and the right side of our heart has deoxygenated blood. So blood from the right atrium goes to the right ventricle via tricuspid wall, and blood from the left atrium goes to the left ventricle via bicuspid wall. And left side we have oxygenated as well as right side we have deoxygenated, right? Okay, now the SA node had already generated the impulse. Now this impulses need to be transmitted. So this impulse is transmitted from SA node to the AV node. Okay, once the impulse is transmitted from AV node, it goes to the bundle of His. So where the bundle of His is present? Bundle of His is present in the interventricular septa, and there is two branches of bundle of His. I will be sharing you the diagram as well, so it will be easy for you to understand. So from the bundle of His, the impulse is being transmitted to the Purkinje fiber. So where is this Purkinje fiber? It is in all the ventricular wall. So once the impulse is transmitted from AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber, ventricles contract. And when the ventricles contract, the blood from the heart is pumped to the body as well as the lungs. So we know the right side of our heart contains like deoxygenated blood, so there is a need to get oxygenation. So the blood for oxygenation goes to the lungs. So via pulmonary artery, the blood from the right ventricle goes to the lungs for oxygenation, right? And from left ventricle via aorta, the blood goes to all the parts of our body, as we need blood for our daily living and it is very necessary. So we have discussed once about the conducting system as well as what happens, how the blood circulation take place. So please do remember the conduction of impulses from SA node to AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe this channel.